Hi guys, in this quick product preview, I'm going to show you how you can make some customizable changes on these end of the year award templates to really make them your own. When you're inside of the award template, you can just select the text and change it any color that you want here when you hit the little rainbow color. This is really fun and it lets you kind of change whatever colors you want. You can also change the font. Just select that and then search away and pick any font that you like. The actual photo here is a frame. And so if you have a different photo of your students, let me just grab one here of Summer Girl. You would grab the photo and you would just drag it and drop it in. In order to kind of reposition it, I'm just going to double click and then I'm going to drag the photo down, get it to fit into the frame the way I like. If you want to keep the photo's default background, you can, but if you want to get rid of it, when you have the photo selected, you will see the edit photo option and you can actually remove the background. So it will take away the background of the image. You would choose done, and then it selects a color for you. But if you want to change that color in the background, you would just come back to the rainbow square and you can choose any color that you like here for your students. You could do different colors for each student or whatever you like. On the second template that comes in this activity, this is just a full body photo. There's no special editing here. I just removed the background the way that I just showed you how. So get a head to toe photo of your students and really have some fun with that. And then on these next two, I made a girl version and kind of a boy version, but you can do something that's just neutral to your class or change them for every student and just do different colors. In order to change the colors on the background image, I just selected the background and then you've got your different colors that are in that palette, which you can change up. If you want to change up the font, again, select the word, go to the A where you'll see the text color options pop up. If you want to change the background photo, once you select the image there, you should see the options for the photo to pop up here. So all of that is customizable. And then I put, a teacher name down here. I think that would be really cute to kind of sign yours. And in this last template here, same thing with the image as the template. You just replace it there and change the background color. What's different here is I added a photo for the teacher so the kids can either remember you or you can put a class photo there, whatever you like, and kind of have fun celebrating your students with their character traits, maybe their academic successes, all the things that they've done throughout the year and how proud that you are to see them. I think adding that personal touch of the student's photo really helps to make this memorable for them. I hope you guys enjoy.